Hi, my name is Wan Hua. After attending the course, I think it actually reinforced my my thinking and the techniques. And thanks to all the instructor, I think you are being very professional and very patient. And there's a lot of good stuff giving away that much. Surely I will recommend the rest of my colleagues to come and attend this course. It's definitely worth it.
Hi, my name is Shanky. I'm a crafter, so I like to create things with my hand. The reason I signed up for this course because I had a 3D printer and been printing what other people create, but I would like to learn to create something of my own, customize it and make a special gift for my friends and family. I find this course interesting because it actually covers quite a lot within the 2 days, and even within 2 days, I think I can master that CAD drawing to at least create something I like. So I will definitely recommend this to all my friends. Thank you.
All right, thank you.